Welcome to another DIY Raspberry Pi upgrade from Mad Doctor. This time we're taking the Raspberry Pi 4 beyond the limits and attempting a RAM upgrade from 1GB to an amazing 16GB. With its incredibly small form factor and strong processing power, the Raspberry Pi 4 can be used for a wide range of projects and tasks, but adding more RAM can significantly improve your Pi's performance. To make this RAM upgrade possible, Mad Doctor uses a professional hot air rework station, flux, Kapton tape, a stencil, leaded solder paste, solder wick, and 420°C temperatures to successfully remove the 1GB RAM chip and replace it with a generous donation of 16GB. After successfully soldering the 16GB RAM chip, the boot screen displays the full 16GB of RAM, signaling a successful upgrade. Naturally, this presents a great opportunity to improve the performance of your Raspberry Pi project. But when a 64-bit Raspberry Pi OS micro SD card is inserted and the Pi rebooted, it halts on a black screen. This indicates that the Pi wasn't able to boot with the full 16GB of RAM and poses an interesting challenge for the team at Mad Doctor. After further investigation into the issue, we may be able to press on with the RAM upgrade project and give the Raspberry Pi 4 a sweet performance boost. As always, thanks for tuning into Mad Doctor's latest project and stay tuned to see if they fulfill their mission of powering up their Raspberry Pi 4 with 16GB of RAM.